If you are new here, my name is Hayle Olson and I upload videos very irregularly. I think the last video I uploaded was probably months ago, but when something important happens or something that I'm super excited about happens, I always get out my cameras and film a video for you guys. So today, why I'm so excited is because the new 2019 Erin Condren Life Planners have been released and you can now go to their website and purchase them. Along with the planner, they have released a ton of new accessories, all with the new yearly theme. So I am super excited about that. I'll make sure to leave links down below for you guys so you can head to their website and purchase the new planner. Secondly, if you are new to Erin Condren, you've never purchased any of their planners or anything from their website, you can save $10 off of your order by using the link HayleOlson.com/Erin Condren, and I'll make sure to leave that down below in the description box as well. Anytime that you sign up through that link, you'll get a $10 coupon into your email inbox, and then I will get a $10 credit as well for their website. So first off, I'm going to cover anything that I might like or dislike about the 2019 planner. And then I'm going to show you guys the inside of the planner just so you can get a better idea of what the planners look like inside. That way, if you do want to purchase one, you'll kind of have a better understanding before you go ahead and make that jump. Then lastly, I'm going to be talking about any upcoming videos that will happen after this one, just to give you guys a heads up about what's going to be happening on this channel. And I have my laptop right here. I've kind of written everything down that I want to cover, so if I'm looking over here, that is why. So let's dive into the good things. The first thing I want to talk about is the contact page. So I've never seen this before inside of an Erin Condren planner, but in the back of the planner behind the notes section, there is a dedicated page for you to record contacts. So say you're at a business meeting and someone wants to give you their phone number or their email address, you can quickly jot it down in your Erin Condren planner, and there's a specific spot for it, which I think is super helpful, because the number of times I've had my planner with me and someone's wanted to give me their contact information, I had to write it down in a note page or kind of off to the side in the column. I could never have a specific spot in my planner for it until now. So I'm super excited about that. Secondly, there are new stickers in the back of the planner. So last year they added a few like functional flag stickers and just functional stickers for you to use throughout your planner. This year they've added another new page, and that is full of deco stickers. So they're very decorative stickers that you can use throughout your planner to kind of make it a little bit prettier rather than just regular plain paper and pen. So I really like to use stickers throughout my planner just to jazz it up a bit and make it a little bit more fun. And having these stickers already in the planner make it 10 times better. One thing that they did change last year was they had more of a goals type page before the monthly page. So there was a goal type page before every single month. This year they changed that back, and it's now just a lined page, a blank lined page, which I'm very excited about. I actually didn't use the goals page at all yet this year. I really don't know what to do with it. I like the idea of it, but I just haven't gotten myself to use it at all. I like the idea of the notes page because you can use it for so many different things, and if you just want to write something down, it's an easy, quick way to, quick place to put it without having to think about how to use the different sections on the page, considering it's just lined this time. So I think that is a big positive. The one and only bad thing that I could really find, and it's not necessarily bad, is that they changed the vellum page that's above the title page. So there's a piece of vellum paper right at the very beginning of the Life Planner. And this year I noticed that it was a little thinner than the 2018 planner. Now, like I said, this isn't really a bad thing, it's just a personal preference. I liked the thicker page. I felt like it made it a little bit more sturdier. So hopefully they'll change that back in the coming years, but like I said, it's not really that big of a deal. All right guys, without further ado, let's jump into the new 2019 Erin Condren Life Planner. I went ahead and got the platinum coil like I normally do. I got the peacock cover. I really loved the fun green and blues and yellows in this, and it just stood out to me. And then I also got my name customized here on the front. I do have a few accessories inside this planner that I'm going to share with you guys just because I already have them in there. And they are accessories that Erin Condren just released with the release of this planner, so you'll get to see a little bit of that as well. All right, so when you open it up, you do have this laminated cover that you can use their wet erase markers on. I really like to do little short to-do lists or maybe my grocery list on here. Then each planner comes with a plan with me pouch or plan for it pouch. And inside it has this coil clip. And this really allows you to stick your plan for it pouch inside your planner if you're wanting to. It's got little coils on it that allow you to snap it into your planner. Then it comes with 3 of their compliment cards. I think these are really fun because they have the different foils on them this year. And then they're just blank on the back so that you can give them to people as little compliments. So each year they will include 2 coupon codes. I believe they're 20% off. You can use both of them or you could give one to a friend. I'm not gonna flip it over because the coupon codes are personalized, they're custom, so I don't wanna share that with you guys just yet. And then you also get 2 sticker labels. They both say enjoy and then to and from. The top one is blue with gold foil, and then the bottom one is a corally orange color with the rose gold foil. So that is everything that is in the plan for it pouch. Next in, I have the brand new Snap In stylized sticky notes. And these are just a little dashboard that you can snap into your planner. And then it has little post-it notes on it. So there's a few flags, there's a little lined list, and they're just cute little stickies that you can use to kind of decorate your planner and help you plan as well. So the first thing I had mentioned earlier was this thin vellum piece of paper. So it has the new Woven Wonder design that is for this year, and I did get the neutral planner. I did not say that at the very beginning. I got the neutral planner just because I like things very clean and simple. It allows me to use a bunch of color in my planner, and I don't have to worry about the color of the actual paper. So I really like the minimalist, clean look of the neutral layout. Like I said, this vellum paper is a little thinner than it was last year. That is okay. It's just a personal preference of mine. I liked the thicker paper. Then we have the title page, just says On the Go Life Planner, and I did get the vertical layout. Then we have the 2-page inspirational quote. So after the quote page, you have your year at a glance. So this shows you July 2018 through December 2019. The only difference here is last year, the days of the weeks had a dark black bar behind them instead of just being bold text. I personally like the dark black bar better just because it helps me differentiate the days of the weeks from the numbers, but that's a very small difference. Then we have your 12 boxes of whatever you want to do with it. So that you could use these for goal settings. Maybe you want to do something very unique every month, or maybe you're planning a trip for every month. You can use this for whatever you want. I personally like to put my monthly goals in here. That way I can quickly reference them throughout the year. Then we have our very first monthly page. So like I was saying earlier, there is just one full lined page for you to use for whatever you want. Then each month has a inspirational quote with its different colors. So January is blue, and it has the Woven Wonder print behind it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well. So it has the blue Woven Wonder print, and it is a very, very subtle print and color. Okay, so now we're going to flip the page, and this is the first monthly spread. I don't think I saw any differences here. Let me look real quick. So the only big difference here on the monthly spread is that you now have the little next month preview. So this is a preview for February of 2019. That's really the only difference that I see on this page. It still has January, the year, Sunday through Saturday. I still like this little layout. I like the column to use for different little to-do lists, for whether it's for the month or for the week. I really like to use this page with the colorful circles sticker pack. They're just clear little see-through stickers, and I will just put them over the dates for different things, whether it's a payday, a vacation day, or maybe there's a special event that I'm going to. I'll just signify those little events by putting a little colored dot over the day. So after the monthly overview, you start getting into the weekly layout. So like I said, I went with the neutral option and the vertical option. So this looks very similar to last year, if not completely identical. You have your one small box up here in the top left, and then the lined column below it. Then for each day you have 3 boxes, and then the small lined area underneath each of those. This has not changed at all from what I can see. And I'm totally okay with that because I personally really love the layout of this weekly spread. So now that we've gone through the weekly spread, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip through real quick to show you guys each of the months, just so you know what they look like. So here's February. And I do want to say something really quick. I just realized the Life Planner is available in 3 different date options. So you can get it in a 12-month from July 2018 to June of 2019. You can get it in a 12-month from January 2019 through December 2019. And then you can get an 18-month option that's $5 more. You can do July 2018 through December of 2019. So there are 3 different options for the dates if you are interested in having more or less months in your planner, and then depending on when you want to start your planner, whether that's in July or January. Okay, so now that we've covered the months, we're moving on to the notes section. So after the very last week in 2019, you'll flip the page and you'll find your lined note pages. I do have one of these mini snap-in bookmarks right here. So they did release 3 new mini bookmarks that are in the same themed pattern this year, so the Woven Wonder. And I just keep it back here to help me flip to the note section a lot quicker rather than having to look for this tab on the side. This just sticks up at the top. So you have 4 different pages of lined paper. Then you have 4 different pages of the dot grid. And then very similar to last year, they have coloring pages, except the difference this year is that they only have 3 coloring pages, because after this you go into your contacts list. So this is where I had mentioned earlier that you can record your contacts and then their phone number and email. I really like this page. It's super helpful and it's a really nice addition to the planner for this year. Let me give you guys a close-up of that. Okay, so then after the contacts page, you go into your 2020 yearly overview. Similar to last year, they have the little note section underneath each month, and then they have a big bar at the bottom where you can keep notes for the coming year. I really like this because if there's something coming up that I know I'm gonna forget, maybe I scheduled my doctor's appointment a year in advance, it's super helpful to be able to note that in here so that I can move it into next year's planner when I'm ready. After this, we are moving on to stickers. So they have a nice little quote here for you guys. And then this is the same functional sticker page that they had last year with the icons and then the different flags. I personally really like the to-do and reminder flags. I tend to use those a lot in my hourly life planner. After that, this is a completely new page that they've added. They've added some habit stickers, some flags, little banners. I don't know what to call these big flag banners. They've got checklist, and then they've got these 4 boxes of lined stickers. I really like this page because it's something new and different. Then something else that's also new this year is that they have the Deco stickers. So these will help you decorate your planner. I'm pretty sure all of these stickers are the same ones that you can find throughout the Petite Planner stickers. I could be totally wrong, so do not quote me on this, but they are a very similar style and design to what you will find in the Petite Planners. After that, they do have their regular banner stickers with the white blank piece where you can write in whatever you're wanting to. They did only take this down to 1 page rather than 2 pages like they have in the past, but you still get all 8 colors rather than just 4. So those are all of the stickers. After that, you do have a nice big pocket right here to put any like papers or invitations or anything, receipts, anything you might receive, you could put that in this pocket. And then in the back, you have another small pocket back here along with your perpetual planner. The idea is to take this out of your planner and then just move it from planner to planner every year. It's undated as far as days of the week and year, so that it's just lined with the numbers of the month. But that is something that comes with the life planner, which is super nice. And then in the back, you have another laminated cover that you can use the wet erase markers on. So that is the 2019 Erin Condren Life Planner. I've gone on just today and placed another order for all the other accessories as well as an additional planner in the hourly layout. And that should be shipping on May 7th or May 8th. So I'll probably be filming another video once that arrives with all the accessories in one video for you guys, and that should be up between probably the 10th and the 15th of May, so keep an eye out for that. I will also be filming another video in the future comparing the Wellness Log and the Wellness Log Petite Planner. They are 2 different things. I'm pretty sure they're discontinuing the original Wellness Log just because it is currently half off on their website. But I still wanted to compare the 2 for you guys. I've promised that for a while now and have yet to do it. So I'm trying to keep my word and get that video ready for you guys. Like I said at the beginning, if you are new to Erin Condren and are thinking of placing an order, make sure to use my link to get $10 off your very first order. I do want to give a huge thank you to Erin Condren for sending me the 2019 Life Planner before it was released. I was on a short list of influencers that got to receive the planner before it launched on the website, and I just want to give a big thank you for them for sending me this planner and then a bunch of goodies that you guys will be seeing in a future video. So that is going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And then also, if you're looking forward to that accessories planner coming up in the future, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.